We'll get a break again Saturday night, and then a few more of those showers and storms expected on Sunday. But again, by no means is your weekend looking like a washout. Latest on Erin, this is the 4 o'clock update from the Hurricane Center. 100-mile-per-hour sustained winds. The center, again, well offshore, but they are getting the big waves there along the coastline. This is going to gradually weaken through tomorrow, maintaining itself, though, as a hurricane, but beginning to pull away from the northeast U.S. It'll continue through the North Atlantic, going from a tropical system to a non-tropical low here in the North Atlantic, but still likely a powerful storm system there, even on into the beginning of next week. 3 other tropical waves out into the Atlantic. National Hurricane Center is watching. Probably one of these, at least, maybe 2, will end up with a name, but no indications that any of those will be a direct threat to the U.S. Here's the next names on the list, by the way: Fernand, Gabrielle, and Umberto.